Okay, the final installment, I guess, of this little series, this uneventful nature walk, which I guess was kind of eventful. I mean, I pondered the sand. I got lost, got rescued by an older couple on horseback. Thought a tree was going to fall on me. Kind of wandered into, I don't know what that was, Biden's infrastructure plan, construction site or whatever it was. Found the river, found Kansas, sat on a porch swing and decided to go home. Hi, tree. Hello and goodbye. I'm gonna miss you. But you know, I warned myself about all this, didn't I? You get attached to any one thing, you're gonna be sad when you gotta leave it. I mean, how long is long? I don't know. You know, in the blink of an eye, you can get attached to something and you could be with somebody or something and actually never get attached. I mean, I've been leaving campsites every night, sometimes coming back for a night or two. I've been leaving states. But now I'm at the end. I'm halfway there, or I'm at the end. I can't go any farther than Florida unless I go visit Castro's brother. It's time to head back, and there is a melancholy. It's starting to rain, by the way, as I talk about this. How fitting. Hasn't rained for months. But you know, this sadness is something I'll let it wash through me. It's gonna happen. It's happened all my life. I hate it. But that's life, I guess. Gotta move from one place through a gate to another, like I just did that second. But what is home, you know? I've lived in Pittsburgh. I've lived in Alaska. I gotta tell you that I think my home is this truck camper. I'm going back to Alaska, yeah. I'm heading back. I'm gonna point it northwest, but I'm not. It's gonna be different. Things have changed. I've got some things to take care of there. I want to money issues. I really want to just become a nomad, I guess. I want to stay in Alaska during the summers. There's nothing better than that in the world. And then leave, wander back, and so forth. But I gotta go back to tie up some loose ends, I guess. And I'm saying it out loud, you know, I'm going back. It's a big deal. I don't like, it's the end of this journey is what's bothering me. It's a heartache. And I think that's what it is that I'm afraid of feeling, you know, those deep heartaches. And I'm starting to feel one. Coming back to you, Alaska, but I gotta golf in those states first. But I'm gonna head northwest. Yep. That's enough out of me.